my 1K dance. Alright, hey, what's up you guys? My name is Chef Sunflower and welcome to my channel. Since I just hit 1K, I thought I would give you guys an update on how I started YouTube, where I'm at right now in YouTube, and where I'll be going for the future. So, one day I was at work and I looked at a huge order that I did all by myself. I was a manager, just to let you know, in a bakery. I did a huge order all by myself and I looked at the receipt and it was more than my whole check. Like one day at work, it was more than my whole check. So I just felt like I could just do this at home. If I was gonna, work my butt off, I could work my butt off for myself. So that's when I decided to make my own cake company and have my own cake business. And it's definitely been a challenge. It definitely hasn't been easy, but it feels good at the end of the day when all the money is coming straight to you and you know where it's getting divided. So for me, I love it. So I started YouTube because basically I was starting out my cake business and I had moved to a different state where nobody really knew me, so I had to get some notice out there. So I started posting on places like Instagram, Facebook, and of course YouTube. I started getting crazy requests on YouTube for cakes like a beer can cake, a money bag cake, a Chinese takeout cake. I wanted to try and see if I could do it, and they started coming out great. If you want to check out any of those videos, they are here. They will also be down in my description below. Those are all first time cakes, and if you want to see how I did, go check them out. For the present, I've been updating my studio. As you can see, if you've been watching my channel, I've got a new wallpaper, and this rack used to be gray and I painted it gold. This is the same rack if you watched my last video. That link will be below too if you want to see how I updated my studio before. But this is my new rack, my new storage shelf, and I have a new table. Not a new table, but I painted my table from black to white. So it looks better to me. It looks more cleaner, so I just decided to change that. Studio lights, backlights. I don't know if you guys can tell it's brighter in here. And I also bought backdrops. And I'm working on buying a new camera. If you guys want to help me out with any of this, donations, I'll take them at Chef Sunflower. I'm not begging, I'm just asking. We'll be making more videos, vlogging about me, starting my cake company, and things I do to make sales and stuff like that, and how I create prices for myself. If you guys want that, I will be making those. I will be making more of those. I don't record all my cakes on YouTube, so if you want to see all my cake art, follow me at Chef Sunflower on Instagram. I also have a second page at Chef Sunflower Gallery, which is just strictly all my cake art. If you subscribe, love you guys, keep me motivated, keep me going. Thank you for my 1K, I just totally appreciate that. Honestly, sometimes I can't believe that you guys are even watching me until I see a comment or until I reach a goal, and it's just like, wow, this is really people out there watching me, so I think it's just great that you guys support me. So if you're interested in seeing where I'll go from here on, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned with my journey. Oh, side note, if anybody want to know how I got the name Chef Sunflower, I love sunflowers and I'm a flower child. I just started with the Chef Sunflower as me loving sunflowers. Simple as that. And I changed the flower to like bacon flowers because I'm a baker. So that's how I got my name, if you weren't knowing.